You're broken down and tired of living life on the merry-go-round, and you can't find a fighter, but I see it in you, so we gon' walk it out. Move mountains, we gon' walk it out and move mountains. And I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. And I'll rise up, I like the waves. I'll rise up, in spite of the ache. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. The silence isn't quiet, and it feels like it's getting hard to breathe. And I know you feel like dying, but I promise we'll take the world to its feet. Move mountains, bring it to its feet. Move mountains. And I'll rise up, I'll rise like the day. I'll rise up, I'll rise unafraid. I'll rise up, and I'll do it 1,000 times again. That we have
need to learn to listen. What happens and how we change behavior, in my perspective, is a grassroots approach, just like we're doing today.
We talk about what we can do better. We work for you. You're our bosses. We're not out here just doing anything. My philosophy is you police from the inside out. So we're inside asking our community what you need from the police department. That's what it's all about. Because what's going on in the country, I can tell you there's no more angry people than good cops to see what's going on with these bad ones. Because